How to troubleshoot the flow alarm of handheld laser welding chiller. When the chiller flow alarm goes off, adjust the machine to self-circulation mode and fill the water to the highest water level. Disconnect the external water pipe of the chiller. Short connect flow. If the water pump shakes abnormally, makes noise, or doesn't pump water, there's a pump malfunction. If the pump is unresponsive and unheated, you need to further check the pump power and controller output. Use a small cross screwdriver to remove the 4 screws on the top of the pump. Then use a multimeter to measure the voltage across the blown and blue wires of the pump. If there's 220 volt, the pump is faulty. Otherwise, it's a circuit or temperature controller fault. If the chiller's water flow